Let's begin. So we're just going to write the sum and difference identities. Okay. We're going to do the numbering still, just so that we're consistent with the ones that we've been doing. But when you Google these, they don't come numbered like that again. Okay, so if I have the sign of A and B, if you write them as I do, then I'll explain the stuff as I write, so you understand what it means. Oh, yeah, thank you. So this is 28. Thank you. It's the sine A times the sine, cosine B, leave a little space, cosine A, sine B. Okay. So I just kind of compress so that we don't have to write as much, 2 into 1. Okay, so like when you look them up, they'll be separate. When I put them on the sheet, they'll be separate. Here's what I mean by that. This is the key part to this. Okay, if you're adding A and B for this particular formula, you're gonna add right there. On there, I put them in blue. I kind of got the colors backwards. If you're subtracting A and B for this formula, you're also subtracting right there. So we have to write one formula instead of writing two separate ones this way. Okay. Again, this is multiplying. And so because of PEMDAS, order of operations, you always multiply first before we add or subtract. Okay? Okay, number 29. Let me switch colors here. 29. That one, this is the sine one, this is the cosine one. The cosine, A and B. Notice the order of the letters. Excuse me, it's always the same. It's like A first, then B. Okay? Cosine A, cosine B, sine A, sine B. And again, just so we can write one formula instead of two, one identity. If this one is plus, now I got my color matching over there. Okay, this one will be minus, not plus. Okay, so be careful, it's not the same. This one's the opposite. Okay, if this one is minus, this one is plus. Okay, so remember, there's two separate identities compressed into one. Okay, and this one's the cosine one. So I remember doing these last year with students. Just be very, very careful. You know, this is cosine, cosine, sine, sine. Like the order of the formula, the letters that go in those formulas, whether it's plus or minus. So just gotta be careful, and then the formula takes care of itself. Okay, last one. So just 3 today. Tangent of AB. This one's a little longer. Is the tangent of A space tangent of B over 1 space tangent of A times tangent of B. And then it's the same pattern. Okay. If it's plus, if you're adding these two, then this will be plus and this one will be minus. Okay. But if you're subtracting these two, then this one's minus and this one's plus. So again, just be attentive to your signs. Okay. That's it. Those are the formulas. Okay. The identities.